Hey, Cheryl Traxler here. I live in the beautiful Alaska, way up on a hill. You can oversee the valley behind me. It's gorgeous. And I've been working online since my kids were young, and I have 7 grandkids. And I wanted to talk to you about our free marketing system and the fact that you can get training from Millionaires every single week to show you how to earn money online. So it's pretty incredible. The training is free, and I have a link to it below in the description, so you definitely want to go and check it out and get that free marketing system. Professional pages, you've got your capture page, your sales page, and your autoresponder series all done for you. It's a done for you system. So you get that free marketing system, and you get the ability to go and hang out with millionaires every week so you can learn how to make money online. So we train you and you get paid. So it can't get any easier than that. So subscribe to my channel below, and thank you for watching. Goodbye from Alaska.